Hi everyone, so today we are going to make a creamy butter garlic prawns. So the ingredients are prawns, butter, cheddar cheese, garlic, unsweetened whipping cream, flour, pepper, lemon juice, salt and Italian seasoning. So let's get started. Take a non-stick pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter to it. Now add the prawns to it. Now fry this for 2 to 3 minutes, and when it is fully cooked, add a little bit of salt and some pepper. Mix it. Let it fully cook. This actually takes around 2 to 3 minutes for the cooking part. Now it is cooked properly. It's time to transfer it to another plate and set aside. And then in the same skillet with the butter, add 1 tablespoon of flour and mix until the raw smell goes. So we just cook it for a minute. Now let's add garlic to it. So this is actually like 5 to 6 cloves. And cook it for like 30 seconds. Once you get that nice smell, we'll add some lemon juice to it along with cream. So that's actually unsweetened cooking cream that we are using for the recipe, so that you don't get that sweet taste in it. If you want, you can add lemon zest also. If you like that much citrus flavor, you can add lemon zest also. And let's add some Italian seasonings as well. Now simmer it for like 2 minutes. Let it cook. Let that flavor comes around. We'll add some cheese. So that's half cup of cheese. It's cheddar cheese. If you want, you can add Parmesan cheese as well. So if you like it creamy, this consistency is perfect for you. But if you don't like it creamy, you can add a little bit more milk to it, so that you'll get that saucy feeling. Now let's add the fried prawns and then toss it. Now let's season with some parsley or mixed herbs, so that gives this Italian flavor. And then you can take off from heat. So if you're planning to serve it right away, you don't have to, this is the right consistency, you don't have to add anything else. Or if you are planning to serve it a little more after that, you just before the serving, you can add some more milk and saute it for like a minute, and then you can serve it. And you can add some more salt and pepper seasonings as well, so that you get that full flavor. Our creamy butter garlic prawns is ready, so let's dig in. It's so good.